This is what we got in the mail, and it is for me. Guys, welcome to the show of the world's messiest room, and this is honestly pretty crazy. So I'm going to tidy this entire room, and then we're going to hoover it. So let's get started. Yo, what's up guys, AK here, back again making another YouTube video, and today on the vlog, another London vlog, we have lots of things to do today, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. And so I've already done some things, so I'm going to do that narrating style for some of the vlog. So, we woke up, and we decided to tidy the entire house. So I'll show you a bit of that, and then I just didn't want to suffer everything, so I skipped the rest of it, plus my camera died, so yeah. And then we got a package. I mean, that was for my sister, so yeah. Well, then I started watching The Dark Knight Rises for around the 5th time this year, and then I played some games with my sister, and now I'm going to give you a full apartment tour. So guys, we did the entire tidying and cleaning, and my mum should be coming from Oman maybe in an hour's time. She should be here, so we're excited for that. So we tidied the entire house for her to come, because she had to come later because she didn't get a work leave. So yeah, entire apartment tour for 2018, roll it in now. Right guys, the amazing door. So yeah, we can start here. If you open this door, this is the boiler room. So yeah, we really don't need to do anything with that for right now. So yeah, then we enter the kitchen, which my sister, my dad cleaned. And this was a wallpaper. I'm pretty sure I chose this one. And then this is either the wall or a vinyl. But like last time I said this, and this was a vinyl. Well, like this was here for don't know how long. This we got a few years ago, and I think that this is the one that I chose. Anyway, this is the kitchen. Also, you know, my dad got me Corsair K55, my birthday present. He left it up here, and then forgot to bring it with us to England, so I had to get his friend to bring it. I mean, yeah. This is just place for storage. More storage area. More storage area. And the bin that just fell down. That is, I'm pretty sure, a dishwasher. These are a bunch of just cupboards and stuff like that. We have the fridge here, and this was from Madame Tussauds, which we went to a few years ago. And yeah, that is our kitchen. Let's leave to the next room. Then we have the radiator here with our shoes, and then we have this, which is sort of messy closet, tiny cupboard with that football. Now let's head on to the living room. Welcome to the living room. There is nothing behind that door there. Table, we've got fruits there. And this is something that my sister got. So I'll show you this. So look at that. Hey guys. Hello. But I'll show you it clearly later. It's some sort of amplifier thing. This is the couch, sofa, settee, whatever you want to call it. One of the most outdated TVs I've ever seen, which we use because we barely come here, maybe like for a couple of weeks each year, so we find it useless. But we might be buying a TV box, which gives us a bunch of channels which you can watch in low quality. And then there's remotes, and this is where my camera battery was charging. Then this is the view outside. Obviously it's really overexposed, so let's just give you a nice clear shot. There you go. And then bring us back into reality. Some cables, and then I organised these shelves. I mean, it was a decent organisation. And then you have some stuff here, not that much. We've got a bunch of sort of books and magazines there. Perfume, and then some sort of menus and leaflets and stuff like that. That's the living room. We are back to this radiator. I don't remember this, do I? Maybe not. Never seen it before. Anyway, this is, the thing where someone says, UPS delivery here? And then I go, yes please. Happens pretty much every day. And then you have this door with a carpet. I mean, carpets are pretty rare in this earth. Got some of our bags, and then the view. I wonder where we've seen that before. And then this entire shelves, where my sister completely messed it up. And this is what we've got in the packages today. Trifecta. As we leave this place, yes please. Oh, give us. That was just my mate BPD TE. Anyway, welcome to the bathroom. I like to spend most of my time here. This is our shower lower, and then we have this, and the bathroom mirror is completely angled correctly. Then we leave this wonderful bathroom to find this room, and we bought these bed sheets, covers and stuff like that yesterday when we were in Argos. Go check out that vlog, link in the description, link in the cards above. This is what I was playing with my sister. Link in the description down below if you want to buy it. I'm not sponsored, that's my Oyster card, my pedometer, my Windows computer with an Apple logo. Just kidding, it's a MacBook Pro. Then there's something for my sister there. I'm not going to show it to you because she might see the vlog. It's for my sister's birthday, which is in a couple of months' time, but we bought the stuff from here because it's pretty cheap. Anyway, not the cupboard. The outside view, which you've never seen before. And then this, which is my cupboard. This is all the stuff that I bought, haul later, but look at that. My stuff, bunch of crap, and my stuff, haul later, don't look at that. Wonderful bathroom here. This is one of those things that can heat up your towels. Mirror. This is a bath. And then, right guys, this is how this weird mechanism works. Yo, guys, AK here, and this is the fast mode. Then you're going to go for B. Today we're going to stop making stupid vlogs. Number C, or letter C. No, I'm just kidding, the stupid vlogs are going to be here forever. Then you have D. Yo, back again making another YouTube video. This is your captain speaking over to land now. Listen to your thoughts. Please look at the legs and don't take this video until you have finished our landing. And and then the final E. So, stop laughing while filming the video. Okay, now I can understand that. Let's do it with this. Okay, stop laughing while filming the video, okay? Your captain speaking all the way around. Please take your seatbelt fasten until we have reached the taxi point and the dead plane has stopped taxiing and yeah. Sub JK. Right guys, so we are currently in the park, and if you watched my last year vlogs, you remember that I came here and we rode a bike, did that the same this time, and now we're going to be heading off to go and get some lunch where it's like 6, so we're just crazy. And so we're going to go and have some food. I'll bring you guys along with me and show you anything that's cool along the way. So guys, smash the like, want to subscribe to notifications, and I'll see you pretty much now.
I forgot to.
Right fam, this is Papadom, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and a bunch of Indian sauces. We are here in an Indian restaurant called Khan. Remember last year's vlogs? You should have seen this exact place, this exact probably table, this exact time, the exact day, eating the exact same thing. So yeah. This is my plate. Bam, 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 bam. Stuff, water, juice, and because my sister's a noob, she took a burger. So yeah.